How to display speed limit in Google Maps. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Pasnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can display the speed limit on the Google Maps. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Now if you just want to view the speed limit to be displayed, if you want the speed limit to be displayed on the Google Maps while you're using the Google Maps on the road, then here is how you can do it. You want to simply open up Google Maps. You should get an interface like this. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and then head into settings. Right now, once on settings, you want to scroll down and searching for the option that says either navigation or navigation settings. In my case, on my device, it's navigation settings, so I'll just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get an interface like this. You want to scroll down below. If you scroll down below here, you'll get the option speedometer. Now this is basically the speed limit option. You want to make sure it's enabled. Once you enable this, you'll be able to view the speed limit in Google Maps and the speed limit will be displayed. So this way you can display speed limit in Google Maps. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.